We have some home remedies for hand and feet whitening that can help improve the skin's tone over time. Here are some effective remedies: gram flour, yogurt and honey. Mix 2 tablespoon gram flour, 3 tablespoon yogurt and half tablespoon honey. Mix them very well. Apply this mask on your skin. Leave it for 30 minutes and rinse off. You will get excellent results. Coffee, sugar, turmeric, lemon and curd. Take 3 tablespoon coffee, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, half lemon juice and 3 tablespoon curd. Mix it well. Apply it on your hands for 4 to 5 minutes. Scrub it and then rinse it off. Cucumber, lemon and glycerin. Take 2 tablespoon cucumber juice, 2 tablespoon lemon juice and 2 tablespoon glycerin. Mix them in a bowl. Pour into an empty spray bottle. Spray it on your hands before going to bed. Potato and honey. Peel off the potato skin and cut the potato into small pieces. Grind the potato pieces with rose water. Add some honey in it and mix it well. Apply it on your hands and feet for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Apply this for 2 to 3 times in a week.